How's it going, everyone? As you can tell from the title of today's video, I have a bit of a question and an experiment of sorts I want to try today. So this is my 2008 Saab 9.3 Turbo X, as many of you are familiar with. Now, this car comes with the ice block taillights, they're called, for fairly obvious reasons. And these came on 2008 and newer Saab 9.3s, meaning that this car came with these taillights from factory. But I bought another set of ice blocks for my 2003 Saab 9.3, and I put ice blocks on that car, so I have an extra set of red pre-facelift taillights sitting around. And I've always wondered, what would these look like on the Turbo X? Now, I'm fairly certain that I would much prefer these over these, but there's no harm in trying. So today, we're gonna go ahead, swap them out, see how they look, and then I'm going to ask you guys in a poll up here in the top corner which one you prefer. I know you guys have been wanting to see what the car looks like after paint. By the time you're seeing this video, it will probably already be picked up, so make sure to follow me on Instagram so that way you can see what the car looks like before I show it on video. So with that being said, let's go ahead, pop the trunk, take these ice blocks off. I've always thought that the ice blocks look really good on black cars, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's see how the red ones look. If for some reason you're watching this video hoping to find out how to remove the tail light, I'm not going to show that because it's a very simple process and I did a separate video on it. So make sure to click up in the top corner if you're wondering how to remove these, but very simple and easy process. Unfortunately, the top ones take an extra step because you got to take off this trunk lining right here. Don't do what I just did and loosen them all at once by pushing in the middle, because then they're all just going to fall out and go everywhere. And I've never done it that way before, and I don't know why I thought that would be a good idea. But yeah, definitely don't do that. Unless you want to track 9 of them down like me. That's quite a look right there. Now let's get the red ones on, see how they look. What on God's green earth did I just do? I don't know about you guys, but this just looks so weird and so wrong to me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. You obviously know what the clear taillights look like with it, and now of course here are the red. Honestly, as I'm kind of like going around and looking at it a little bit more, it works. I don't think it's as good as the ice blocks, if I'm being completely honest, but it works because look at it this way. You have these red deflectors or reflectors down here, excuse me, and you have like the red Krona sticker, and then you have a red stripe in my license plate. So I don't know. It's just like a little bit of subtle red, and if you kind of look at it from that perspective, I think it works really well. But I'm going to put one of these ice blocks back in, and I'm going to put a pull up on the screen and see which one you guys prefer. You know, if I'm being honest, I'm pretty confident that it's probably going to be like 3-to-1 in favor of the ice blocks. And I think a lot of people's reasoning for that is simply just going to be because it's a Turbo X. I don't know, I feel like a lot of people are going to be offended that non-ice blocks would be on a Turbo X. But we'll see. I'm curious to see how you guys think. Just gotta get these nuts tightened down here. And there we go. Alright, so there you go. On the left, do you prefer the red taillights or on the right do you prefer the ice block clear taillights that should be on the car? Let me know in the poll up here at the top of the screen. I'm curious to know. What I'm going to do for now though, I'm pretty convinced that the ice blocks look better, so I'm going to stick with those. Unless you guys provide a really convincing case otherwise, I'll probably be sticking with those. But I thought this would just be a fun little video, little experiment to try, see how these looked. But let's get rid of that now. There you have it, guys. Car is back to how it was at the start of the video. Again, let me know, make sure to vote in that poll. I'm curious to know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video though, leave a thumbs up. I'll see you all next time.